Hello trader, let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in British Pound US dollar and Euro dollar. Now first of all, let's begin with the GBP USD, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that GBP USD is long-term bull market. Previous months, we have seen a bullish candle that has a significant healthy body with a long wick at the top, which in fact a potentially bullish market structure. As a result, this month we have seen that after retesting the support, the market managed to bounce back up, and we may see that this price continue to rise as what is going up is likely to go up. Now, looking at the weekly chart to see overall picture on the market on British Pound US dollar, we can see that from the weekly, this is also a very strongly bull market. We have seen there is an impulse followed by this correction, and we have seen another impulse followed by deeper correction. We see another impulse followed by another correction, back to back two weekly doji formation from this level. And with that weekly doji this week, we can see that the market from this zone had a bounce initially, as we see that it's a bull market. 3 weeks of pullback, strong liquidity gap, expecting GBPUSD to remain bullish to create a new higher high. If we look at the daily chart on British Pound US dollar, we can see that from the daily, this is also strongly bull market. We can see that with this daily impulse followed by daily doji formation, and we have seen another bullish candle followed by we have seen again another pullback. If we compare the reds with the green, we can see that the bulls are highly stronger than the bears. Now as a result, today we have seen that from this support level, GBPUSD had a strong upside bias. Now dropping down to the 4 hour time frame to see British Pound US dollar, we can see that this is a very strongly also bullish market structure. We have seen an impulse followed by correction and another impulse followed by deeper correction. Now with that deeper correction on British Pound US dollar, this is also an order block that we can see the price tested this previous resistance, and we have seen there is a bounce. This current 4 hour candle is a bullish engulfer. As you can see, it has crossed the previous narrow red candle slow, form a bullish engulfer crossing the 20 EMA, expecting GBPUSD after the candle close to remain bullish after initial pullback. And I think that the price may continue to rise at least to retest this resistance line or even breaking above further. So with that in mind, we will be looking for potential bullish trading opportunity on GBPUSD. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So now let's look at GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Looking at the monthly chart on GJ, we can see that from the monthly, it is also bull market. What we can see that the price has broken this monthly high, previous monthly high, grab the liquidity, and we have seen a very strong drop here on GJ. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly drop, followed by the market is now moving back to the upside to the resistance line. And what I think that after a retest, we still can expect another rejection. If we look at the previous weekly high, is where this is an important level of resistance, expecting GBPJPY to go ahead, grab liquidity, and then to drop back down again. Dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that from the daily, this is the daily impulse, followed by we can see a narrow daily doji. Today's candle is so far bullish. From here, we can see that there is a strong rejection. And looking at the 4 hour perspective, we see a bullish market structure. From this local downtrend, the market change its trend to an uptrend. We will be waiting for GBPJPY for a potential pullback and expecting a trend continuation. With the candle close, we will be waiting for suitable entry opportunity. If we see price action confirmation, we will be looking for going long on GBPJPY with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.